In this video, we will look at how to reduce the file size of a video. You can do this with a video that you've recorded with your MacBook or a video that you've recorded with your iPad that you've then airdropped to your MacBook. To reduce the file size of a recorded video, open up iMovie, click Create New, click Movie. Go to Import Media. Find the video that you want to reduce the file size of. Once it's imported into iMovie, just click and drag it down into this area to actually put it into your project. From there, go to File, Share, File. The settings usually default to a high resolution and a high quality. If you reduce both of these, you'll notice that the file size dropped tremendously. It went from 200 and some megabytes to 54. From there, click Next, and then just save your movie to your desktop. You can name it whatever you need to. From there, you can upload it to Schoology without the high file size error that it normally gives you.